What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a gaming review of Honor 10X Lite smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So here we go. So these are the games we got today here on our Honor 10X Lite. For this testing purpose we will use the performance mode to get the best performance out of the device. And right now the battery percentage is 93, CPU temperature is 24 and the battery temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. So first of all, let's start with Call of Duty Mobile. So by default, low graphics quality is selected and the frame rate is medium. So I'm going to use the medium graphics quality and the high frame rate. And let's see how good it's going to be. If we face an issue, we will switch back to the lower setting to play the Call of Duty Mobile here. So the graphics quality is quite nice. As you can see, lots of detail we are getting. And there is no frame drops or lagging as well. It's quite smooth for sure.
Enemy contact! Headshot! Hostile hunter killed Charlie inbound. Reloading! Cover me! Launch! It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead. Enemy in sight. Loading. Headshot. Reloading. Cover me.
So as you can see that no frame drops, no lagging. It's very smooth and the graphics quality is quite nice as well.
Friendly airstrike incoming. Enemy in sight. Stealth chopper inbound. Changing mag. Changing mag. Missile inbound. Our stealth chopper has been destroyed.
So as you can see that everything is nice and smooth, no frame drops or lagging. Camera angles are changing very smoothly. The graphics quality is good enough to enjoy the game. And most importantly, even on the high frame rate and the medium graphics setting, considering high according to this hardware specs, it is still quite nice.
Chopper inbound. We're almost there. Keep it up.
And first of all, check the battery status. So it was CPU at 52, now it's going down very sharply. You can see 44 now. Battery temperature is 34 degrees Celsius. And as you can see that CPU is now at 40, going down constantly. And talking about the battery, it's at 91%. So after playing this game for like 3-4 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 93 to 91. So now let's just Close it and let's play Asphalt 9. So here in the game setting of Asphalt 9, by default the visual quality is default. I'm just going to move it to high quality and let's play the game. So you can see that the frames are stucking a bit, it's not so smooth. But the graphics quality is pretty good as we have selected the high graphics quality. So yes, it's not smooth. One frame drop happened just now, it's lagging. Once again, one frame drop happened. But the sensors are performing quite nicely. You can see how good is the performance of accelerometer. So now and then a bit of lagging is happening nearly constantly, but still I was able to play the game and finish at the first position. But for sure the graphics quality was good, but some frame drops happened and it was lagging now and then. So if we play this game on the default graphics quality, I think the performance will be much better compared to what we got here. And let's have a look on the battery status. So CPU at 46 degrees Celsius and battery temperature is 38. And talking about the battery performance, it's reduced to 89 now. So once again, let's close Asphalt 9 and now it's time to play the PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics quality of PUBG Mobile, you can see that by default the graphics quality is selected as balanced and the frame rate is selected as medium. I can select the high graphics quality and high frame rate. HDR onwards is not available as you can see, and if I go to smooth, then again the maximum frame rate I'm getting is high. So let's play the game on HD graphics and high frame rate and let's see how good it's going to be. And if we are unable to play the game on this graphics quality, then we will move it down to smooth or balanced. So here you can see that the graphics quality is quite nice, not that great but still good enough. As if you have a look on the costume of the character, you can see the reflection of the light and everything. It's actually quite good. And it's pretty smooth as well. When I'm changing the camera angle, you can see it's changing very quickly. But let's see how good it's going to be during the gameplay. So once again, if you have a look on the character, on the costume, it's really nice, lots of detail. But if you have a look on the ground, it's not that great, a bit blurry and pixelated, but the character is quite nice. And once again, the camera angles are changing quite smoothly here as well, very smooth actually. I'm not so good in gaming. I'm just trying to give you an idea about the gaming capability of the device. Especially I'm pretty bad in PUBG Mobile. I rarely play it. So far it is looking quite smooth, as you can see. If you are a PUBG Mobile player, then you must be getting the idea that how good or bad the performance of the device is going to be. So it's looking quite smooth, no frame drops or lagging is happening, and there's no issue in playing the game. Everything is nice, the graphics quality is okay, and actually the frame rate is nice as well. You can see no frame drops is happening, it's pretty smooth. So I'm just going to leave it here. Let's go back from here to the battery status. So now the CPU temperature is 63 degrees Celsius. Now it's at 50, going down very sharply. Battery temperature is 38 and the battery percentage is 86. The good part is that the device is not warm at all. Even though it is showing like the battery temperature is 38, CPU temperature is 44, the device is totally at the normal temperature. So this is a very nice thing. And now what I'm going to do is check the memory management. So PUBG Mobile is already running in the background. I'm going to run now Call of Duty Mobile, and let's see whether these two games can run simultaneously on Honor 10X Lite or not. So now let's go back from here to PUBG Mobile, and you can see the game is exactly where I left, even though I got knocked out by someone. And now if I go back to Call of Duty Mobile, it is here as well. So this is quite nice that you can play at least two high and heavy graphics game on Honor 10X Lite. The memory management is good enough, the 4GB RAM is working perfectly, so you can do some multitasking while playing your favorite game on Honor 10X Lite without worrying about the force closing of the game itself. So this is nice for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.